Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to repair a completely dead horn. This horn is completely dead and not giving any response. So whenever you are facing this type of problem, first try to adjust this screw. First tight it completely, then start opening it slowly and see if there is any improvement. But I tried this method and it is completely dead. I tried many times, but this horn is not giving any response. This horn is completely dead, not giving any response. See, it is completely dead, not giving any response. So we have to open this horn and we will clean the contact point of this horn and it will become alive again. So let's open this horn. If nothing is working and the horn is completely dead, that means the contact point is either completely worn out or it is dirty. So we will open this and we will check what the actual problem is. And these problems comes when water goes inside this horn when you are washing your motorcycle or a scooter with high pressure jet, or you are driving in heavy rain, then water goes inside this horn. Or if the horn is very old, then contact points wears out. So the horn is open. Yes. So here is the contact point and it seems dirty, some carbon deposit is here, and we have to clean this contact point. You can see how it is working up and down. So that two mating surface we have to clean and it will become healthy again. The contact point is still healthy, only some carbon deposit is there. So once we will clean that carbon deposit, that contact point will start working again and this horn will start working. And for cleaning this I am using sandpaper, very fine sandpaper, 600 grit. You can use any grit ranging from 600 to 1500. Just a small piece can solve the problem. Here is the paper. Just press it and insert this paper, and yes, it will solve the issue very easily. Yeah, we have to clean the contact point. Yes, it is looking shiny now. Yes, it is becoming better. Yes, it is perfect now. So the contact point is clean now and this horn is healthy, ready to work. Before assembling it, you might be interested in the working of this horn. How does this horn actually works? So this horn contains a electromagnet. Here is a electromagnet coil. You can see some coil here. Most probably you can see here. This horn contains a electromagnet. Here is the coil. This portion contains the coil inside. So when we are passing current through these two terminals, this electromagnet gets activated and it pulls this diaphragm inside. This point will be attracted here. So this diaphragm will go inside like this. It will go like this like. But when this diaphragm goes inside this portion. This portion touches this contact point, and when it touches the contact point and this magnet pulls this portion inside, the contact is broken. You can see here, when this contact point is pressed, it breaks the contact. You can see it breaks the contact here, and current stops flowing to this electromagnet coil, and it gets demagnetized. And when it gets demagnetized, this portion goes back to its original position. When diaphragm goes to its original position, this contact point again makes the contact, and current again starts flowing to this electromagnet. Again it pulls this diaphragm down, and again the contact breaks. Again it goes back to its original position, and again contact is made. So this process is repeated again and again many times in a second, and this diaphragm starts vibrating like this. It starts vibrating like this, and because of this vibration, a sound is created. A horn sound is created. You can hear. This is very slow, but in real it is very fast, many times in a single second. So this sound is created because of this contact point, solenoid, and this diaphragm. Now you may ask that what is this one? What is this black one, and the wire is connected here to this black portion? This black part is a capacitor, and here capacitor is connected to the contact points to enhance the life of these contact points. If there is no capacitor attached here, then this contact point will get worn out very fastly. So to increase the life of these two contact points, this capacitor is connected here. And you may ask, what is the purpose of this screw, this setting screw, this tuning screw? What is the purpose? So when this contact point wears, it loses its contact. See, in normal condition it should join with each other, but suppose after few years, when this contact points will become half, it will get worn out. Suppose it will get worn out up to here, and this is worn out up to here, then it will lose its contact. So to compensate that one, here this tuning screw is given, adjustment screw. When you will adjust this screw, it will adjust the distance between the contact points, and again this horn will start working. So in this case, the contact point is healthy, but because of some carbon deposit, it lost its contact. So we cleaned it, and now it's healthy. So I am going to close this horn, and after I will test it. So it's very simple. Just we have to close in the same way. Very easy. So this horn is ready, and we have to test it. Let's see whether it's working or not. Yeah, it's working. So this is working perfectly. And one last thing, you have to fit this horn in your vehicle, and you have to adjust this screw. You have to adjust this screw. First tight it completely, then start loosening it thread by thread slightly, and then see the sound. Where you are getting the best sound, just lock this screw. Okay, This is the locking nut. You have to lock this nut and a screw. So in this way you can repair a defective horn, and I think this will work for years and years. No issue in this horn now. Generally that carbon deposits comes because sometime you are driving in a rainy season or water goes inside it, or when this horn is very old. So this simple problem you can solve yourself and no need to buy a new horn. So you saved your money. So please like this video, share it among your friends and family members. Please subscribe my channel, and before going must press that bell icon, so whenever I will upload new videos you will get the notification and you can watch it. And at last, thank you for watching. We'll meet in next video.